heading to a Starbucks to upload a video because Evan's Wi-Fi sucks. And then we have a fun day of race car stuff ahead of us. Little Molly is having some missing, a little bit of misfires. It seems to be fine now after driving a little bit longer, but we'll probably change the spark plugs and bleed the clutch, because why not? Oh my god, the size differences. Spark plugs and a slave cylinder. Check. Video is uploaded. Now we're gonna go ahead and get some famous Dallas fast food. Whataburger. What a burger? This weather, it's literally perfect.
Especially
70, 60, 65 and sunny, yeah. It's, oh my God. It just makes me instantly 10 times happier. It's crazy how the weather can do that. Do you agree?
Yeah, it's called seasonal depression.
It's so true. Frick winter, dude. Frick winter. And just having my baby back, my baby's back.
Okay, I was always here, but sure.
True, but my OG baby. Evan was the one who said Whataburger was better than In-N-Out, so
I've never been.
that was pretty good. It's pretty good. I forgot to ask for no mustard on my burger, so it's kind of a mustard overload, but it's still tasty. Nothing compared to Portillo's though. Midwest, we got the Portillo's and that's delicious. Now that all the morning things are done and it's 2 p.m., we're gonna go back to Evan's place and clean cars, work on cars, drive cars, race cars.
203.
I'm sorry, Audrey. And then we're going to a meet tonight. Hell yeah. As I was talking about earlier, Molly was misfiring a little bit. So we got new spark plugs and we're gonna bleed the clutch because always having clutch issues on this car. But
it's been a while since I opened one of these.
Figured,
wow, this hood is so light.
I know, right? Aluminum and tiny.
God.
It's really dirty though and kind of a mess.
Cool. So simple.
I know, it's so nice having a little four cylinder. Who remembers when I had one of these? Now we have a real lift.
That's what I need.
Yep, soon.
Very.
Yours works so much better than mine though. Why is it so fast?
Until you get to the top.
Oh, is it? It's a little fluffed up. I don't really need it to go all the way up.
Yeah, it's fine up there.
Cool. Those things are still so useful. No. Oh my gosh.
Deep zoom.
Alright, plugs are in, clutch is bled. Let's see if it starts.
That scared me.
We're gonna start up the Lexus.
Who's 7 feet tall and sat in this car last? Oh, really?
Audrey's not 7 feet tall.
Yes.
That
it
is
loud.
awesome.
It is very loud.
I want to get a ride in this at some point while I'm here.
I'll give you a ride for sure.
Good. How much power does this make again?
On a Mustang dyno, it made 540.
Woo! That's crazy.
So on a dyno jet up here, that's pretty high.
That's like safe for a JZ too?
Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah.
So crazy.
It has perfect leak down. It has perfect compression, 0 tune issues, and it's got like perfect AFRs all the way through the band.
That's awesome. So tired of having to put a bunch of money into a motor and make 200 horsepower.
Gotta get something with a JZ,
I know.
man.
Or an LS, something that.
Yeah, that too. That works.
Yeah. Ooh, is that on the 85 too?
Yes, it is.
I smell it. It's delicious.
It's stinky. Ooh. All right, boys, we're taking over the channel today. Gonna put Gingium's car back together again. I'm gonna put his wheels on backwards. Just kidding. I miss these cars.
You guys don't realize how big an SC300 is, or how small a Miata is. Until, like, look at this. So there's 2 to 3 feet behind, and then like a foot up front. So long boy.
Oh yeah.
Should I wait for you to pull out? Yeah, probably. I'm excited.
Yeah, this tune I think goes to 29 PSI.
Wow.
It's a lot.
A lot of boost. Got so much room.
That's because I literally cut everything out. Like there's like metal
kinda
pieces.
nice.
Yeah. I was like, in case I have tall passengers or whatever, I want there to be a lot of leg room. So
You did that very well. That sounds really good. Is it just complete straight pipe? No, nothing? Wow.
yeah, straight custom 3-inch stainless from the turbo. How's half throttle?
That's crazy. That's so fast.
See, this one's got a weird wobble in it too.
Right when it kicks into boost, you're just like, ah!
Yeah.
It's the coolest feeling ever. I love high horsepower turbo cars. I need to get myself a car that makes more than 200 horsepower.
Yes, you do.
It's unreal.
Alright, I'm gonna go first through third. I don't actually, first is gonna be useless, but whatever.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Holy shit.
Yeah, it doesn't.
It's so sad because cameras just don't do it justice. No, you can't understand the feeling of
Yeah.
oh yeah, that steering wheel looks a little scary.
I think it's partially my like, I don't know. This car's always got some weird stuff going on with it.
That was crazy. Yeah, first and second are spinning all the way.
The turbo's so
I
laggy.
know, you
The
literally
turbo's
can't
so
drift it.
laggy that I
That
have
was
to. That's what I'm
crazy.
saying. Like, I don't want to drift this car anymore because of that. I might just get a new turbo because I have to kick, and then it's like all of a sudden it
Yeah,
wants to spin,
dude,
and then I have to
it's-
shift, and then I can't grip because my turbo's laggy.
Yeah, laggy turbos probably wouldn't be great for drifting, but in the straight line, it's awesome.
It wasn't supposed to be laggy. I'm not sure why this turbo is, but I don't know. I'd like to see if I can change
Yeah.
a different platform because I do want to drift this thing again, and it's hard to now.
Yeah, it was real challenging. The only thing I don't like about riding in high horsepower cars is that it just makes my car feel so much slower.
Now you need a fast car.
I know. The truck will be 300 horsepower for a while, but once I boost that, then that's so awesome. Yeah, that was really rad. That is an awesome
I'm
car.
glad you liked it, dude.
Yeah, go check it out. Cars and comments. This is insane. Holy meets are like?
When they're good, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this
There's
is
not
Dallas.
like any Chicago meet like this.
Here in Texas.
That's good.
It's pretty fun.
Hell yeah. Dallas, this is insane. Chicago has absolutely nothing like this. This is an incredible meet. So yeah, props to you guys. Hi. And we had a lot of fans here too, which was cool. I've been told there's 3 more floors of this stuff too, which is insane. This is very sick.
Actually really cool.
Yeah.
It's like way better than I've been to in a while. How you liking Dallas so far now, man?
Dallas is really cool.
We do it big here.
Yeah. Number 1, 2, 3.
See, that's what I want to drive out to a meet. That's my meet car. One more week, bro.
That thing is rad. Ooh, a truck. Oh, it's a dually. Ooh, it's like a bag to dually. Yeah, that is pretty cool.
Really?
Oh my gosh, Evan!
Number 4. Boy, that was my first car.
Actually,
Yeah.
it's like,
You can actually left chalk on
My
It
first
has a
car
big
was
ding
a
on
Ford
it.
Focus.
oh, I was just saying, like, it looks like it's in great condition.
This is my
I
favorite
just
car
want to know
on
the
the
Kelly Blue Book value on that. You guys fire suit.
That's what he's doing.
It started out good and then it got really bad by the end. That's pretty cool. I didn't see that. IS300 wagons are rad. Very rad. Goodbye, dude. Yaka. Classic. Goodbye, Texas. You were cool. This was by far the coolest meet we've ever been to. The most amount of fans I've ever met. I love you guys. It's so cool being able to see you, meet you. And a bunch of rad cars, of course.